Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add a carousel to your site on Squarespace. So let's get right into it. Now, if you're not familiar with what a carousel is, even though you most likely are because you searched for this tutorial, it is basically when you have a slider of pictures and you can add images to basically, well, slide and show multiple images in one frame. Now, previously, I've done this with an Elf site plugin, which is very useful. However, to get the most out of it, you do need a paid subscription. So I'm going to show you how you can do it within Squarespace itself. So let's get right into it. Now, to do this, we're going to be adding a section to our page. And to add the section, first you need to enter the edit mode. And once you do, and let's just wait a second for it to load. For some reason, Squarespace is very slow for me today. But yeah, once you're in the edit mode, I have an embed script over here, which I will delete in just a second. And yeah, I'm going to go ahead and add a new section. And once we click on that, we're going to go scroll down and select images. Now here you have a couple of layout for image galleries, but we're going to scroll down until we get to a, well, carousel mode. And it should be somewhere here. I am not sure where it is currently. And here it is. As you can see, it has some images at the bottom, which display which image you're currently on, but I'll show you once I add it. And now once we've added it, as you can see, to the right and to the left, we have these arrows, which you can click to switch between pictures, just like this. And that is basically what a carousel is. Now to edit this, you just need to go ahead and click edit section, or rather not that, but edit gallery. And here you can see all your images on your carousel, and you can click this plus to add new ones if you want. And that is basically all there is to it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.